What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL that we just got done lifting. If you guys are looking to get your Jeep lifted and put some new wheels and tires on, you should take a look at what we did to this one. This one's going to have that 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, and it's going to be able to help us lift up the Jeep and fit this bigger wheel and tire package with a 35-inch tire and 22x12 wheel. With the JK's body style, you would have to use a 3.5-inch lift to get the same wheel and tire package, but with the new JLs, you only have to put a 2.5-inch lift. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be a step down from Fury's mud terrain tires. It's going to be more of their hybrid tires. It's going to be their RT. So this one's going to have that mud terrain look with the more aggressive sidewall and the more aggressive tread. But it's also going to give you a nice on-road experience with the quieter ride and a longer tread life, thanks to the more compact tread. You have a few other options for your hybrid tire. You can go with a knitted Ridge Grappler, which is a tire that we highly recommend, but you can also go with the Toyota Open Country AT3, which is another good option. The wheel's going to be a 22x12 Fuel Blitz in the all gloss black, and this one's going to be the -44 offset, so it's really going to help create the look of this wheel by pushing the center of the wheel in, giving it a nice dimension, and pushing that wheel and tire package out about 4 inches as well, giving it a nice wider stance. This one's going to have a pretty good aggressive look to it, thanks to the lines on the spokes. This one being a split spoke design, and then it's also going to have the rivets on the outside of each section of the lip, which helps create that look as well. This wheel does offer the open lugs, so you can run some spiked lug nuts if you choose to do so. And then there's going to be a couple different finishes for this wheel. You're going to have your all gloss black, your gloss black and mill, your platinum, and there might be a couple more I might be missing, but there are quite a few options for this wheel, as well as many different sizes. So if you guys like this wheel and tire setup, this whole build package, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. You can go ahead and get it built. We can also check out our 0% financing option, so if you guys want, you can go ahead and build your vehicle now and pay over time, so you can go ahead and just enjoy it right now.